What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beta AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I wanted to go inside the brand new AT OVO 3 sample pack, which is a sample pack for producers like yourself to make the perfect Drake type beat. Because Certified Lover Boy is coming out this week, we figured it'll be a great time to release our brand new OVO inspired sample pack. This sample pack does not include the MIDI. I apologize for that, but the reason why we don't include the MIDI is because we do a lot of processing and pitch shifting of the original compositions that we created that it wouldn't match the MIDI. We did stuff like changing sample rate. So because of that, you're not getting the MIDI. However, everything is BPM and key labeled. So I figured it'd be a great time to go through some of the samples that are in this pack. Also, just like our Young AT4 and the Billie Eilish inspired sample pack, we are giving away 2 free copies of this sample pack. All you need to do is look for the instructions in this video. It will occur somewhere in this video randomly. So don't skip and don't jump ahead, because it will be quick and it will be your instructions on how you can get this completely free. We'll send it to your Beta AT account. So I picked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different samples. There's 20 different samples inside this sample pack. So we're going over 6 of the 20. If you guys want to check out the sample playthrough video, I have a sample playthrough video. The link to that is down in the description down below as well. So let's go through and play these samples. More of a trappy type Drake sample. More of that chill, like relaxing, not quite R&B, but pretty close. These are completely original compositions, so you don't have to worry about clearing them with other songwriters. Avenue's so fire. Reversal's super fire. You guys are getting all the stems too. So if you guys want to see what's in that sample pack, like literally, let's pull it up. So here's the AT OVO 3 sample pack. So you got 1942. I didn't pull this one in there, but you guys could see. Oh yeah, I did. It's out right there. But then there's also a reversed version. Then you guys got the low vocals, the piano, a higher vocal, clavicet, a whirly, filtered drums. So like I said, you guys are getting all the stems. So if you want to rearrange this, change it around, shift the tempo, shift the pitch, you guys can. We're giving you all the creative freedom with these packs. Typically, we're able to give you guys a MIDI, but we couldn't give you guys a MIDI for this because of certain processing and pitch shifting that was done for the samples, as well as even some reverse stuff. So the MIDI wouldn't really work if everything was like reversed or even halfway reversed. So here's inside the Avenue sample, the one that I really like. Mind you, what we went through was only 6 of the 20, so there's 14 other different samples. So let's play Avenue again. So fire. Bassline, bell, bong. Now on top of that, I want to show you guys a more or less of like a remix that we did of this unreleased Drake song. We got this unreleased Drake song. I tried making an acapella of it, didn't really work out, but we've swapped out the beat that was in that song with one of the samples and beats that is in this pack, so you guys can get an idea of how authentic or the vibe that it would fit for Drake. Now, as you guys can see, I used a sample called Spun, which is right here. So this is the original. So that's the sample in the ATOVO 3. So what I did in this session was I kind of toned it down or shifted it down and try to match it with this Drake acapella that we just made DIY. So I'm gonna play it from the top. There might be some slight pitch incorrections, but it's just to give you guys a general idea.
Look, turned this to a organization. Used to have bashments down in the basement. Looking to ceiling pink foam insulation. Now we just take her for corporate occasions. Said she been fucking with me since the Hazelton. If I don't like how he's moving, I'm paging him. Hit that dick dissing back then, I was raising them. Niggas is in for the rudest awakening. Walls are so tall, I don't know who my neighbor is. Bach on my Cody, his songs are amazing. But I knew that nigga when he wasn't making them. Yeah. Turned this to an organization. Rap a lot mob, we tied up like laces. Bank in Bahamas, you know I'm evasive. I got my money in 10 different places. GME, POB, joint operations. If it's a problem, I'm dropping locations. Or I send Keller, she's very persuasive.
So yeah, we were just trying to have some fun with it. So nothing too crazy. Obviously, the acapella doesn't sound that good. But it was just to give you guys an idea what it would sound like if Drake was on one of these samples. Obviously, I think it fits the vibe and tone. So if you guys are looking to make beats in the style of Drake and you're lacking in the melody game or even in the sound game, then this sample pack is a must cop. Feel free to leave a comment on the YouTube video if you have any questions or come across any inconveniences with trying to get your product, accessing your account on BDAT or anything of such. I will always respond to the comments, or you can email us at contact@bdat.com. If you guys want to get more sample packs like this and MIDI packs, drum packs, anything of the such, want to learn how to make dope beats, then be sure to subscribe. It does help us and it allows you to stay informed whenever we drop new content. Now, here are your instructions on how you guys can get this sample pack completely free. All you guys need to do is go to our Instagram, BDAT, go to the Drake OVO 3 sample playthrough video, not any other sample playthrough, and then comment CLB 2021 free, all one word. Then also give that post a like and follow our Instagram. If you already follow our Instagram, we will see that. So you just need to comment and like the post, and then we will reply to you if you guys win, and we will send you a message as well in order to get your email so we can gift the sample pack to you. You will need a BDAT account because we will gift the sample pack to your BDAT account, but setting up a BDAT account is free. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to put in any payment. You just need to create one. And then if you are picked, we'll gift it to you, and it will be in your BDAT account for a lifetime, allowing you to have lifetime access to it in case if you were to lose the file, lose your computer. We want to make sure producers are always able to get their sample packs, loop packs, MIDI packs, drum packs, whatever. If you paid for it, you have lifetime access to it, and that's only at bdat.com. No other sample makers can guarantee that, and we will make sure that always happens. So thanks for watching, and adios.